my soul. I've got a secret you.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know I'm a stranger. I'm a trespasser to be trespassing in your country like this without anyone being noticed. But guys, look, I'm truly sorry. Okay? I'm really and truly sorry about this. I am just traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to listen to various variations of artists from across this entire globe. So I'm traveling and I've heard about this country called Malta. And this is the reason why I'm here in your country today. Just passing by, and the reason why I've came here today, I've heard about an artist. She goes by the name of Miriana Conte. Right? I'm here for that person in particular because she's participating in a competition called Eurovision, which various countries are partaking. The song that she'll be singing is called KANT. So one question, is the KANT should spell CANT, right? And that is also bracketed called singing, national final performance. So thank you so much for accepting me in your country. Let's all be going together. And one question to everyone who's watching now. Do anyone who's watching this video knows our Jamaican legend, Bob Marley? Please let me know, everyone, down in the comments. And you all know. Let's go.
I got a secret you should know. Come a little close out, whisper slow.
Wow. Wow. Yo. Her outfit, it's adorable. So I'm feeling good to look at it, bro. This is so cute, man. And she's also beautiful. So she's matched with the outfit of her beauty.
Got a secret you should know. People say don't be so loud. Watch the words coming out your mouth. Hands crossed, don't dare stand up.
Whoa. Whoa. So you're telling us that we should watch the words that come from your mouth. Wow. So people, we found ourselves a queen in Malta. I do like females with attitude though, right? A little bit of attitude, a little bit of shyness, a little bit of everything, right? So she's my perfect match right here.
Pull up, make 'em all bow down. Shut up, I'ma be real loud. Get up, I don't back down. Follow me now, only lover.
Bah! 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 I love when female do this, bro. I love to see entertainment, right? I love to see the uniqueness that comes from the females when they're performing. This is gonna be a lit performance. I ain't gonna lie. What I'm seeing now is filling my eyes with entertainment. These guys that appeared on the stage to dance with her or to dance for her, it is magnificent to look at, man. Bah! Bah!
There's no enemies. Feel around me, green energy. In my power, higher me.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! That is cute! Hey, that is cute, man. Love this, bro. I love this. I love this. Her vocals are also nice, bro. She's a person that we can listen to, right? Her singing is perfect. Her movement, her style, everything is perfect. I gotta say, there are a lot of talented people in this world that is yet to be discovered to show what they can do. And I'm seeing them coming out. Trust me.
Here's the secret, that might be. Why should we let other people decide when we could be having the time of our lives? Let down your walls, come and dance to my vibe. I do it all the time, yeah, I do it all the time.
Oh wow. Oh! Ah! Yo! Yo, this is amazing, bro. This is amazing. I just say, enjoying performance. And what she's doing, bro, we have ourselves a competitor. She's among with the giants in this game, bro. Wow. Wow.
Serving KANT. Don't run me faster, serving KANT.
Whoa! What she's doing on the floor, bro? Damn, hey, that looking so good, bro. That's looking so good. She's just cute. Bah, 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 bah. Dog. Yo, I'm loving the vibe, bro.
Don't run me faster, serving. Yes and no to the opposite. That's it. Give up. This girl don't quit. Follow me now. All the love.
Wow. Wow, give up. This girl won't quit. She's definitely my type, bro. Give up. This girl won't quit. Damn. She ain't gonna give up, bro. So you can always be quick. Just get lost, man. Get lost. Get lost, bro. Get lost.
Lovers don't handle me. Feel around me. Create energy. Here's a secret remedy.
Whoa. This is amazing, dog. This is amazing. Her performance is incredible. And she also is giving what she can do, right? Her voice is such a relaxation, man. I've expected more, bro. Trust me, I'm expecting more. So let's continue.
Why should we let other people decide?
Don't get me wrong, right? Each of these person who are in the blue clothes right now, they can dance really well. The performance that they're doing around this woman to bring forth her songs even more alive while she performing, it is amazing to watch, bro. Amazing to watch.
We could be having the time of our lives. That time you was coming into my mind. I do it all the time. Yeah, I do it all.
Whoa! Wow! Wow! Yo! Okay. I'm so sorry that I came in so late to look on these performances, but what I'm seeing now, the catwalk, the movement on stage, it's definitely a bonus, bro. Definitely a bonus.
The time. Yeah, I do it all the time. Serving KANT. Don't really faster, serving KANT.
Oh, that's my favorite part. Bah! 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 Serving cunt. Damn. Yo, I love to see this, bro. I love to see this. This is amazing to look at, man.
Don't run me faster, serving. I've got a secret you should know. Don't me for so. I've got a secret you.
Yo, that voice, bro. That blinking voice, bro. Oh, yo, I knew she had that in her. I knew, and it's my first time reacting to her music. I knew she has that type of vocals within her. This is the moment I've been waiting on. Blah, blah, blah. Crazy, bro.
Don't me for so. We could be having the time of our lives. I do it all the time. I do it all the
Whoa, whoa. Terrific. Just terrific, bro. Just terrific. I gotta say, she's 1 in a billion, bro. 1 in a billion. Trust me.
time.
So one question. What the heck is serving cunt? Because I'm seeing them booming on a ball. So my mind's not dirty to look at it that way, but what the heck is serving cunt, bro? Like, what the fuck is cunt in the first place? What the fuck? Like, damn, but either way, if she's serving it, I'll be let's see, a supporter of she serving cunt. I mean, like, what the fuck? It must be something good because it can't be that bad, right? So serving cunt it is, I'll purchase.
Don't re mi fa so so sorry. I got a secret you should know. Grazie, Malta! Thank you!
Wow, she did well, bro. She did well. She did extremely well. And for the first time experience what she can do, I felt entertained with what she does. Right? So if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another reaction. So stay tuned, man. Hit the bell icon because it's a guaranteed situation that whenever time she comes up again, I'll be there to react to her music. So you guys should always stay tuned, man. Be a part of the gang, be a part of a Jamaican, support a Jamaican with all you can, and you all know we'll be friends at the end of the day. So, peace. I'll see you guys around.